AAC.
Take it back.
Take it back.
Action.
AAC.
Take it back. Bro.
Take it back.
Action.
That's how the matter be, my people. Then tell say, na small, and they pack some sample for blind person Gary. Make it for non know. If you to put and go no. PDP and APC don't do us Ojoro Tote. We don't know. Now we come tell them say this 2019 a bad market for them.
Be there.
You ain't be say you did Obodo Nigeria. You dey suffer. And person when be say dey Europe, dey America, dey Asia, dey Congo, dey Ghana, dey US, they tell you say, now more election will in one may you vote for, now in they support. You suppose use your head reason say that place when those people don't go, now me myself won't make I go. What did they see for this or more election but the way they be say that they say no more election AAC everywhere? You suppose think. You understand? The reason why when be say we did that why they do all this thing. Now to make sure say everywhere will go for Obodo Naija. Everywhere need to good for Obodo Naija because they say one hand wash the other one, for the clean. First when in the Obodo Ibo, if he get, you when they has no get. He know they happy. We know they happy for here. We want the electricity, free electricity when we they enjoy. We want to still they enjoy. 24 hour NEPA not go take light. If you they sink, if they sick like this, ambulance will come carry you for us. If you get accident, if be say everywhere gather, whether they call hold up for Obodo Naija, plane go come, helicopter will come like they check, you go come pick you, carry you go hospital, you not go die. Good road go there. Now only a more election will and go feed do all these things won't be say with the talk. You when go school, you be graduate. Since 2009, you don't graduate. Till this time, you never get job. You dey shout articulated. You no get sense. So. You dey shout Buhari, say Baba. You no get sense. Now these people, now they no create job for you, make you forget job. Now make you dey there. And you ain't get small job because they give you small work. PDP give you small work. APC give you small work. You want to spoil about 170 million because we be 200 million. You want to spoil about 170 million people own because say you get small one when they do. Now only go fire you. Because your own no go better. Make una dey talk truth. You go dey loud on you go dey say Atiku is doing well, Buhari is doing well. Come back to Nigeria. Go back to Nigeria, make you face what our people they face. You will know say Atiku and Buhari they're no good. You understand? You were there Obodo Igbo. You still they support all those old fool. They say person when travel, if they get where they call an experience, they call say traveling is part of education. You never still get sense. You know no book as you travel. You know they see. Shame on you know if you see again. But now be that one carry me come. Wetin carry me come be say I want make Nigeria know one thing. America no come help Nigeria. She see the time when Emmanuel Macron come Nigeria, I tell and say, now una go solve una problem. Any other world president go come, now so them go tell now. Because our problem dey our hand. Or you both don't want me you pass them. Therefore they appear as we dey like that. Your destiny dey your hand. I make Showore bring this logo come say your destiny is in your hand. This one you see one color green. That one for us when we do Obodo Igbo, greener pasture. When we come find life, how life will take better. The other one when you show black, that one now you when they has. You can't tell us say we do one like that. That one me say your destiny dey your hand. Now our hand, now we go take carry all the nyama people come on for road. We know why use hand hold umbrella again. We know why use hand hold broom. Technology don't take over thing. Umbrella we know they use hand again. We get what we will put for air like this. Rain no go feel wet your body. No need of umbrella. Bro, you no need to sweep and you don't use broom for air, my brother. You no need that.
No.
You put machine for ground, you make everywhere don't clean. That one na old school. This one na digital party. Vote for more election wore. Plenty talk, not the full basket. Now election wore. Now be the right candidate. Forget every other young candidate. Support Showore. No vote for Atiku. No vote for Buhari. No say we no tell now because if we made mistake, we want to Europe. We want to do meet you. We want to do meet you. We not go the same money come for una give una no vote for Showore. And this thing we just dey talk and we not dey use and joke because we self we dey hustle for here before we pay. Obodo Igbo when you want come, we go tell America, tell London, tell Europe as a whole, tell them say una problem na wan be nothing dey worry una. We go fit go tell them. They no go dey give una visa again, una go dey suffer for there. So it's high time make una vote Sowore. Vote Sowore, vote youth like you. Even make una dey get shame. Old man come, he go carry old man put for office. Since dem Buhari dey come, Obasanjo, how many people? Shey na dem. At least make we still carry youth put for them. May it still be we matter. Because if you did there, youth go dey employ youth. That's what the matter be. AAC!
Take it back.
Take it back!
Action.
AAC!
Take it back.
Take it back!
Action.
And no going back. We know they go back and do well. Oh yeah.